Chicken tikka restaurant style, at home. Cook over a charcoal grill, easy to make and insane flavours. Serve in a fresh grilled chapati with raita, finely sliced red onion and cucumber, fresh coriander. A match made in heaven. Keep watching for the full recipe. Jazz hands. Yo guys, welcome back to the YouTube and welcome back to the channel. And if it's your first time here, thanks so much for watching. And if you are a returning subscriber, guys, we love you too. So guys, today we're doing the nation's favourite, apparently originating from Birmingham, chicken tikka. Not the masala, just the chicken tikka. That red, gorgeous, blackened chicken that you get down the Indian restaurant. I have created the recipe, guys, so you can make this at home and we're going to show you how to do it right now. And as always, if you want to cook along with us, guys, and you want any of our recipes, especially this one, because there's quite a lot of herbs and spices in there, click the link in the description below that says cook this dish. Let's go. This is a restaurant style chicken tikka, so there's a few things in there that you might not have seen, but I promise you can get everything in your local supermarket, because that's where I got it from. Let's go over here to our spice section. We've got everything here, guys. Loads of spices that we need to make this dish. Some beautiful yogurt. So what I've got here is 3 chicken breasts diced up. I've cut all the fat off and the sinews, so it's just pure breast now. And this is what the Indian restaurants use to make this dish. You can use chicken thigh, but it is a bit pink inside sometimes. It puts people off. And chicken breast is what they use in the takeaway, so we're gonna use it too. The first thing we're gonna do with this is cut a lemon in half. Don't care about the pips, just squeeze it in. Now what this is going to do, guys, is it's going to start the cooking process of our chicken, so we can't have it in there for too long. And then a good helping of sea salt. Into here, to get that authentic red colour, we are going to put in a little bit of food colouring. Optional, you don't have to do this. You can use food colouring powder. Put it in there like that, stir that in. You want that bright red colour. It looks like a lot, but we're going to put a load of yogurt in here in a minute. Chicken rouge. So now we're going to make the second marinade. Now this is all about where the flavour comes from in this chicken tikka, and the beautiful yogurt that we use is going to make that chicken so tender and moist inside. Some lovely Cornish yogurts. Look at that. Trevithian Dairy. 500 grams of yogurt. We want approximately half of this, 250 grams. Beautiful and thick. Now we can always add a bit more. That's roughly half there. So into here we're going to put a load of different herbs and spices to make up our chicken tikka, and that beautiful yogurt is going to marinate that chicken, soften it down, and the herbs and spices are just going to go ooh la la. Okay, so there's a lot of things going in here, guys. I would suggest that you click the link below for the full recipe, a lot easier, but you can cook along with us now. Just need to move fast, right? First things first, chicken tikka spice paste. Now, I know what you guys are saying, oh, you're cheating. Every single Indian restaurant takeaway uses this, guys, and if you think they don't, go in the kitchen and I guarantee you'll see a big tub of it. It's the base for every curry, these pastes. So you need to use it as well. Again, it's about £1.50 in the supermarket. Get the Patak's one, because actually it's the same one that the Indian restaurants tend to use. 3 teaspoons of this. This stuff's really cool, look at that. Oh. Minced garlic, you can use garlic cloves. Minced garlic's just easier. So you want around 2 large teaspoons of this. As you can see, these are all pastes, guys, and a lot of Indian food, this is how it's all made up from these pastes. So crushed ginger, beautiful smell on this. 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger. Cumin, 2 teaspoons. Garam masala, oh beautiful, 2 teaspoons of that. This is a lovely Indian spice mix that's pretty much in every curry actually. Jordan's favourite thing, we're going to put in 1 teaspoon of crushed coriander, 3 teaspoons of paprika, 1, 2, 3, turmeric, 1 of these, ground chilli powder, 1 of those. That is our basic tikka marinade now. Whisk this up, okay, add a bit more yogurt if we need to, and put it straight onto that chicken. The smell from that is insane. Right, so really get in there with it, guys. Now, I can already tell we're going to need to add a little bit more yogurt into here, so I'll just do that now. Bit more yogurt in there, guys. Now, this is actually the natural colour of chicken tikka. If you didn't put the food colouring in, this is what you get. But if you serve that to most people and say it's chicken tikka, they're going to say no, it's not. So this is why you've got to do it, guys. I mean, that's what they do in the restaurant, so, you know, pretty simple. This now goes in here. Okay, all in, guys, yeah?
Yeah, baby.
We're going to mix it up. And what we're looking for is a reddy pink colour now, guys. There we go. This is exactly what we want. Yes, 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 yes. This is the perfect consistency. Not too much yogurt, but just enough to get these absolutely going. I promise you now, guys, you're gonna put that in the fridge for 4 to 8 hours, for minimum. When you cook that, your friends are just gonna be like, oh my God. I'm telling you now. 4 to 8 hours later, 4.5 hours in our case, and we have got ourselves some marinated chicken tikka. To complete the authentic tandoor experience, we've got to take this chicken, put it on some bamboo skewers. Now these have been sat in cold water for about half an hour to an hour, so they're really soaked up now, so they won't burn. So we're gonna put this on the skewers now, guys, and then cook this on a charcoal barbecue. Now, if you haven't got a charcoal barbecue, head down to your local supermarket, £2.50, easy. And that is all you need to cook this, guys. But you must cook this on charcoal for that authentic tandoor flavour. Let's get this chicken out, and honestly, I can't even explain to you. So get it on here, guys. Now, if you get some big bits, we're gonna loop them round twice, but the small bits, just straight on like that. And you wanna push them in close to each other, so they're happy chickens. And let it drip off, guys. You don't want too much excess marinade, so just, you can see there I'm letting it drip off into the bowl.
Because it'll kill off the coal as well.
Okay, so there's one. So can you see, bit of space on the bottom, bit of space on the top. I think we'll probably get 3 or 4 kebabs. This is 3 chicken breasts here, guys, and I have got rid of some of the crap that comes on the chicken breast. So, you know, you can just up the recipe, up the marinade, do as many as you want. Okay, so we're just gonna finish these up here. Oh, guys, look at this. We're gonna charcoal grill these, guys, and I said you could use any barbecue. This is a £2.50 charcoal barbecue from the supermarket. That's all you need. Simple, right? We're gonna take our beautiful tikkas. Oh, I love the sound when you put them on. Now, we're gonna cook these guys very, very low and slow, okay? These barbecues don't get that hot. A little Susie salt, bit of pepper tea. What we want, guys, is we want that low, slow heat that's coming off that barbecue there to slowly cook that chicken, just like it would be if it was in the tandoor oven in an Indian restaurant. And this is the perfect way. And like I said, £2.50 from the supermarket, cheap as chips. So we've had about 8 minutes on here so far, and with the portable barbecues, it's really important to keep moving the chicken around because you get these cold spots on here if you don't. Let's go with our first flip. Oh, wow. We're starting to get some lovely colour on these guys.
Oh, that looks very nice.
And then obviously we flipped now, so a quick seasoning of Susie salt. There's something about cooking outside on the charcoal grill. It's that kind of like authenticity, that flavour. You imagine there all those smoky flavours getting into that marinade of that chicken and infusing it with them smoke flavours, just like in the tandoor oven in the Indian restaurant, guys. This is the only way to do it. Guys, look at these. We've had a couple of flips already. It smells like we're inside an Indian restaurant. Oh my word. Wow. Let's have a little rearrange here, guys. Bit of a shuffle round. These are ready to come off. Look at these now. So we're going to finish these in the oven just for about 4 or 5 minutes, get everything else going, and put these into beautiful chapatis with some lovely rahata and some beautiful sliced fresh red onion and some lovely cucumber. Guys, these have just finished cooking in the oven just for a couple of minutes. So let me just talk you through what we've got here, okay? We've got some sliced cucumber and red onion, some fresh coriander, some rahata, which is basically an Indian yogurt, cucumber and mint dip, a beautiful fresh chapati, and our chicken tikka. So chapati on the barbecue quickly, just to give that a little warm through, and I want to show you this chicken. Oh, guys. Look at this, and tell me that doesn't look like the chicken tikka that you get in your Indian restaurant.
That smells incredible.
And I'm going to show you the most amazing chicken tikka chapati. So fold this up like this, right? Because the chapati will hold its shape. In with some of our lovely rahata, like that. Some beautiful red onion, fresh cucumber, coriander, some chicken tikka. Now tell me, guys, that you wouldn't smash that right now at any barbecue.
Wrap it up and eat it.
Just fold it up.
Nice.
Right, the same.
So yeah, guys, make sure you hit a like and subscribe. Follow the recipe and cook it at home.
Follow the food blog, guys. Thanks so much for watching. We are Life with Joe and Jordan. We make cooking videos every week here on YouTube. I cannot tell you how good this is, guys. We will see you next week. Peace out.